Now let us come to the example of that Fibonacci search. In this, I can simply choose some list of elements which are in already in sorted array. Okay. In that particular array, I want to search an element 85 by using Fibonacci search. So coming to the first step. So first of all, you have to find out the n value. According to the first step of Fibonacci search, find the smallest Fibonacci number which is greater than or equal to n. The first smallest Fibonacci number. Okay. So Fibonacci numbers are, I already discussed in the first session, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, etc. like that. Here the number of elements are 11 within the given array. Okay. So find the smallest Fibonacci number. So these are the Fibonacci numbers which is greater than or equal to 11. So here n is 11. Yes. So greater than 11 means these are the greater than 11 Fibonacci numbers. Among all those, what is the smallest number? That is 13. Okay. So then automatically the 13 can be treated as Fibonacci member. So for this 13, what are the previous two numbers? So that is the 8 and as well as 5. So this is the first previous Fibonacci number and this is the second previous Fibonacci number of 13. So that is the 8 and as well as 5. Okay. So now I have to calculate index value. The formula for index is have to calculate the minimum value of offset plus Fibonacci number, second previous Fibonacci number with the number of elements. So this is the formula for calculation of the index. Okay. So in this step 2, I can simply explain, otherwise I can simply represent the entire sequential steps for the searching of the element 85 in that particular given array. Okay. So at the initial stage, that offset value is to 0. I already told you. So the first smallest Fibonacci number which is greater than or equal to 11 is 13. For this 13, previous numbers are 8 and 5. Okay now? Next, coming to the calculation of the index. So according to the given formula, index value is the minimum of offset plus FIB MM2. So 0 plus 5 comma the number of elements. So that is the number of elements or 11. What is the minimum value? 0 plus 5 is 5. So minimum value of 5 comma 11 is, so that is the 5. What is the corresponding element in that fifth index? That element is 45. Okay. So here comparison element is, I want to search the element, our target element is 85. Now compare that target element with this existing element. So here 85 is purely greater than 45. Then automatically, according to that particular algorithm, we can simply perform the corresponding operation. Yes, what is that operation? That operation is move one down and as well as reset that particular offset. Okay,